good job, man.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Oh, nice. Nice doors. All right. So, what's your name, real quick, and what's in here, man?
Eddie Ramos, and I have 4 American bass XFL 15s on an American bass 750.1.
Okay.
I have 10 10s, 10 8s, 10 tweeters. That's all split up between 3 3Ks and a 350.4. High output alternator. We got Titan. I got 2 Titan 8 lithium batteries underneath my front seat. 4 runs, all welding cable, double aught. So
everything's right here, electrical wise.
Yeah, everything is right here, electrical wise.
Okay, nice. Is it just the, what is your amp wired to then, if it's just the one?
My amp is wired to 1 ohm right now.
1 ohm, okay.
Yep.
Trying to see the perspective. Nice, wow. Sorry, just like, you know how I am, I like to see everything.
I know how you are, you like to see everything.
Wow, that's pretty cool, man.
I just didn't have time to put a plate on.
So how much battery power is that? Like, amp hour wise, or do you know?
That I don't know, I'm sorry.
It's just the Titan 8s, okay, got it. All right, nice. You built this?
Yep, me and Dan and his XB.
Okay. And do you know the tunings on the 6th order?
That I do not know.
It's all right. You got your back port and then the loading. All right. Oh, okay.
I put panels up there,
yeah.
And I guess I didn't do it right.
Yeah, it's
so
all right.
When we get back to Florida, we're gonna tear it out and we're gonna redo the whole roof and then put it all back in here.
That's a big project, but I was curious. I was like, I hope it isn't a sub, but then it's just the roof.
Yeah,
okay, cool.
yeah. There's literally, I had to makeshift this last week real quick, but
go.
there's a piece behind there that's really bopping.
Yeah.
So that's what it is.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much for the demo.
Hey, thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you. Sorry, I'm sweaty. Thanks for watching.
Nah,
yes,
you're
sir.
good, man.
Is this an 8 or a
10?
10? Wow, yeah. Nice 10.
All my 8s are in the upper stunt wall.
All right, okay, I'm gonna go check that out in the back. Nice. Did you build into the wall or was it slide in? Sorry if that's a weird question. Did you build in or did it slide in?
Oh no, yeah, we slid it in.
They slid it in, okay.
Yeah.
That's a tight space.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice. Well, good job, man.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. I just like to see everything.
Yeah.
It's hot today. Really
yeah.
hot.
Yeah, you can keep your window down.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
I don't know how it is.
separating it, or something's breaking. I can hear
What
it.
it is, it's the roof. I put,
Oh,
I
okay.
put panels up there,
Yeah.
but I guess I didn't do it right.
Yeah, it's
So
alright.
when we get back to Florida, we're gonna tear it out and we're gonna redo the whole roof and then
Oh,
put it
wow.
all back in here.
That's a big project, but I was curious. I was like, I hope it isn't a sub, but then it's just the roof.
Yeah,
Okay, cool.
yeah. There's literally, I had to makeshift this last week real quick,
There you
but
go.
there's a piece
works.
behind there that's
Okay.
really bopping.
Yeah.
So that's what it is.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much for the demo.
Hey, thank you very
Yes,
much.
sir.
man.
Nice
I'm
to
a big
meet you.
fan of
Sorry,
yours,
I'm
bud.
sweaty. Thanks for watching.
Nah,
Yes,
you're
sir.
Right.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.